How to buy DTG20 token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in a project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is referral codes down in the description. You can get free money, rewards and crypto with the best referral codes. Simply use the codes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description box. So before going on by this token, make sure to check the next accounts and keep following the updates about this token. Now, as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 1 day ago, and as you can see, the liquidity here unlocked by 100%. So this token is trending number 21 on the screener right now. And to be able to buy this token now, copy the token address from here, and remember this token address is under this Solana network. Now open your Phantom wallet for that. Click on swap here. Make sure you have enough Solana in your wallet. Now click here and place the token address. So this is our token. Click on it. Now here, of course, type how much you want to buy. This is how much you will receive. Now after that, select the provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here. After that, click on swap and you will be redirected to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now if you face an issue, just go back to this page and switch the slippage from here or custom it, because most of issues came from slippage. Now after that, go and you will buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy DTG20 token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.